Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing sweet and sour shrimp soup that I was taught by my father. He was a fisherman. This soup is very popular. So please come to the kitchen with me and I will show you how to make it. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. The ingredients are very simple and you are easily to find in any American markets except the bạc hà, that like stems, long stem vegetables, and those you need to get at the Asian market. So I like to use small okra here. They are much tender and nice. I use 2 tomatoes here, but one I cut into wedge and one I mince it. The minced one has the purpose of giving the soup the reddish color. So this is my bạc hà, the one that I told you earlier. If you know elephant ear, they are just look the same, only this in lighter color. And those can be eaten versus elephant ears cannot be eaten. So I have prepared all the vegetables. I cut the okras, the tomatoes, only the bean sprouts. Don't need to do anything except washing. Now, in my pot, I added a tablespoon of oil and I will saute my shrimps first. Before that, I saute the garlics so that until it's fragrant, and then I will add shrimp. You do this until your shrimp cooked, and then you will add water to it. If you are familiar with Vietnamese culture, the meal in Vietnam consists of 4 components: rice, a main dish, a vegetable dish like a stir fry or raw vegetables, and a soup. So we eat soup on daily basis. You can see now my shrimps are cooked. The sign of cooking that when they are orange and curved. Now at this point I add the okra because the okra need to take longer time to cook. After a few minutes I add the tomatoes. Before that I remove the shrimp, and now the shrimp to return to the pot. I don't want to cook shrimp too much. I want to keep the sweetness of the shrimps. So when it cooked, when I added the water and it boiled, at that time I remove the shrimp. And now everything back in and okra are cooked, tomato are cooked, I added my bakha and shrimp backs, and I add the seasoning. So the seasoning is a fish sauce, salt, and sugar, just a little. You can adjust the seasoning to your liking. You want more salty, you add more fish sauce and salt. But I add a little sugar here so that they rounded the flavor. If you are in the Mekong Delta region, their soup will be sweeter because they eat sweet more than other regions of the country. So now we come to the garnish herbs. Those are Thai basil, culantro, and patty off. So I just wash them, and now I roughly chop them, and I already chopped some of green onions, and that's it. You can see that I have 3 Thai chilies for garnish there, and when during the cooking time I added 1 Thai per chili, but I didn't mince them, I just crushed them so that I get the flavor of chili but not so spicy. And I just show you 1 kaffir leaf. I grow all of them in my garden. And now I choose a lime. This is the sour components comment. People can use tamarind and some other sour fruits from special plants, but you just can use lime like I do, the simplest way and still a good way. So I taste everything and I like it. The flavor is very rounded and nice. I have sweet, I have sour, I have salty, and that's it. And I added my herb garnish now, and like you can see, I use the whole lime. It's up to you. You can taste your soup and adjust accordingly. It depends on the family. If you are in my family, my parents' family, they eat sweeter than me. You see, until now I just add 1 teaspoon of sugar. That's all I need. So I'm happy with my soup now, and let's plate the dish. You can see I just fish out the chili that told you that I put in the pot in the soup earlier. If you want spicier, you can cut the chili into slices and drop in the soup. And during the cooking time, it will make your soup hotter. But my level of spiciness is very moderate, so I don't use on heat. I just want the chili in there so that I got the aroma. Okay, so I try to arrange the soup in a pleasant way. So you bear with me and we will taste the soup. So I had too much shrimp, so I just need a few here. And I got some pieces of okra, some pieces of bạc hà, and some pieces of tomato. You can see my liquid is a little orange red. That comes from the minced tomato earlier and the shrimp. I think I am happy with my bone. Is after I add in some bean sprout there, and now some chopped earth. Okay, that's it. Do you like it? Alright, so this is my final with the some Thai basil flowers there. And let's eat. I invite you to the table to eat this with me. I hope I inspire you to make this for yourself. And please like, share my video so many people knows about it. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. That means a lot to me. Thank you for watching. I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.